This free AI tool can actually help you earn money every single day. And the crazy part is, most people are still not using it. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to use this AI tool to start making money online. Even if you're a complete beginner with no experience, make sure you watch till the end, because I'll also show you a simple trick to increase your earnings. The tool I'm talking about is ChatGPT. It's one of the most powerful AI tools right now, and you can use it to generate content, ideas, and even services that people are willing to pay for first. You need to find a simple service that people are already paying for. Go to Fiverr or Upwork and search for things like Instagram captions, product descriptions, blog writing, or YouTube scripts. You'll see that people are charging anywhere from $5 to $50 for these simple tasks. Where the opportunity is. Now open ChatGPT. Let's say a client needs Instagram captions. You can type a prompt like, write 10 engaging Instagram captions for a fitness brand in seconds. ChatGPT will generate high-quality content. You can also edit and improve it to make it unique. This saves you hours of work. Now go back to Fiverr and create your own gig. Use a title like, I will write high-quality Instagram captions using AI, add a simple description, use keywords, and upload a clean thumbnail. You can even use Canva to design your gig image. Once your gig is live, people can start ordering. Even if you charge just $5 per order, you can complete multiple orders quickly using AI. That means you can scale your income easily. Here's a simple trick to increase your earnings. Offer fast delivery or extra services like more captions, SEO optimization, or custom tone writing. This can double or even triple your income. This is not a get-a-trick method. You may not get orders instantly, but if you stay consistent and improve your gigs, this can turn into a real income source. If you want more videos on AI tools and ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to Digital Profit Hub and start using AI to build your digital income today.